Guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the surface area of pyramids. So I do have the formula written down in a few places for us today. I have it written up here at the top like I normally do, and I have a diagram right here. I apologize if the diagram is a little bit blurry. I couldn't get it to be unblurry. I don't know why. So to find the surface area of a pyramid, you're going to take big B. So this is the second time we've seen big B for geometry so far. And that stands for the area of the base of the pyramid. And you're going to add that to 1/2 times P, which stands for perimeter, times L, which stands for slant height. So the L is going to be a lowercase cursive L that looks just like that. And it normally has to be given to you. So if you look at the diagram here, the slant height is on the face of the pyramid. If you have a height that goes directly down from the top of the pyramid to the base, that is not a slant height. That is just a height. It has to be on that diagonal. We are going to be looking at two different types of pyramids. The first pyramid we're going to look at has a square base. So this would also work for rectangular bases as well. And then we also have a pyramid where there is a triangular base. So 9 out of 10 times right now, you are going to be given the area of the base for a triangular pyramid. So let's just jump right into a few examples. So I have a calculator off screen ready to go, and I suggest you do the same. So I'm going to start by rewriting my formula. Surface area equals the area of the base plus 1/2 times perimeter times slant height. And let's start finding some variables. So I need to find the area of the base. So since this is a square, I can do 7 times 7 to get 49, plus 1/2 times my perimeter. So because this is a square, all of the sides are going to be the same length. So 7 times 4, or 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, gives you 28. And my slant height they gave me right here at 6. So I'm going to take my calculator and do 1/2 times 28 times 6, and I get 84. So I'm going to take 49 and add that to the 84, and I'm going to get a surface area of 133 inches squared. So you're probably asking, why is this squared? This is obviously a three-dimensional object, and you would be right. But since we're looking for the surface area, we have to square it. Think of it as you're taking this pyramid and you're unfolding it and setting it down on a table. You want to know how much space that covers on the table. So that's an area. So that's just a nice, easier way to think of area because sometimes it could be rather confusing with the units for students. So let's look at the one where we have a triangular base. So I'm going to start the same way I did with the first example by rewriting my formula. So the area of the base they gave me is 15.6. This is an equilateral triangle. So that means all of the bases, all of the sides of the base, are going to be the same. If it doesn't state it, you can really kind of assume at this stage in your mathematical career, but if it is labeled, make sure you're using the labeled numbers. So 6 times 6 times 6 is going to give you 18. And my slant height is right here at 5. So off screen, I'm going to do 18 times 5 times 0.5. And no, the order does not matter of how you are multiplying here. So then the next thing you're going to do is add that answer to that 15.6. So when I multiplied all that together, I got an answer of 45. And when I add everything together, I get a surface area of 60.6 meters squared. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more, and leave a comment below if you have any questions for me. Make sure you share this video with a friend who you think could benefit from this tutorial. Thanks for watching.